There are different types of metal barricade stands, and each one meets a different need. Here's how to choose the right one. T-stand. These are flat bases that sit flush with the ground. They reduce the risk of people accidentally tripping over them. Bridge stand. Named for its distinctive bridge shape, it excels in stability on uneven surfaces. It's designed with a small support and a larger one to allow 90-degree turns while still providing a stable base. Wheel stand. This stand turns stationary barriers into rolling gates for events that require access openings along the barricade line. Attach the wheel bracket and it will open and close in the same way as a gate. Sliding gate stand. These can be used on just one or both ends of a steel barricade to make horizontal movement of the barricade quick and simple. All feet are easy to install and work with SONCO's steel barricade line. Contact us now and find the perfect stand for your next project.